wanted to let you know what I found out on one job, actually, a crash course on exterior paint. First I used Barn and Fence, which used to do good. It used to be pretty, had a good texture, went on real good, it wasn't runny. This is runny. It is, even if you mix it all you want to, it's very runny. It's also got oil base, which is a little harder to clean, penetrates, and it does not cover well. It takes multiple coats. We're going to do a primer and this. It is like $26 a gallon at Lowe's. Not as good as it used to be. Now, on the same job, on a different building, I tried Storm Coat exterior paint. Again, it's about the same price. It is water soluble, so you can clean it up easier. It actually covered better. It was actually pretty runny too. I don't really care for that because you end up wearing a lot of it or getting it on places with a roller. It sleeves it and you have to protect everything. But it's not as runny, quite as runny as the Barn and Fence. It also covers a little better. Although I don't think it's great paint either. It is decent paint for like $26, $27 a gallon. So my experience is this: when you go to Lowe's, you're going to pay about the same. You got to understand this one is oil based, this one is not. Both are exterior. This one doesn't cover as well as this one. So Storm Coat's just a little bit better. Just to keep you up with what I figured out. So you can make your own opinions, but just my experience, Storm Coat's just a little bit better. Guess I got a little buddy here. Somebody dropped off a turkey at the a chicken at the mobile home park because they can't take care of it themselves, and he's adopted me for whatever reason. He assumes that I'm not going to hurt him. So anyway, maybe it'll be a new mascot. So you guys, just to help you figure out what would work good for you, that's what I found out about Barn and Fence and Storm Coat. Storm Coat's just a little bit better.